Hi, Stefan the BMW DIY guy. I'm going to make my intro super quick today because this is such a quick video. Not all the changes you have to do on your car are super expensive. Sometimes you can find something really small, really cheap that's going to make a big difference. At least it does for me. I had a buddy point out to me that the silver trim in my center console around my radio and the AC controls is missing from your headlight controls. Now, it's not missing that it wasn't supposed to be there. It's just not there. But the shape is the same. Once I noticed it, it drove me crazy. So I found a really cheap, inexpensive little trim that you can fit in there to make it match, and it makes a huge difference. So let's get out to the garage, check it out, and you could do this to your car too. All right, here we are out in the car. I'm gonna make this really quick, as I mentioned earlier, because this is such a quick upgrade. And you know, once you notice it, you gotta fix it. So I had somebody point out to me that the silver trim, right? So if you have the style that has the silver trim on either side of your center console, just like this, if you'll notice, and once you notice, I apologize, this has got the same style, but doesn't have the silver trim. So here's where these pieces fit in. They just fit, they slot straight into place. Like that. They've got adhesive on the back, so all you're going to do is just pull the adhesive off. And the link for this, like I mentioned, is in the description of the video. So let me pull the adhesive off, get it slotted on both sides, and I'll show you. And this will be the quickest $5-6 change you'll see. And once you notice it, you gotta fix it, just like I did. Okay, here we go. All done. As you can see, super simple, super quick. You just fit them into place. They just go on each side. You can tell which right and left, which goes on each side. And man, that makes a difference. It's, like I said, this is probably gonna be the best $5 you spend on your car. So you go back and look at the center console if you've got the style with the silver surrounds. Some of the models don't, but if you do, man, pick this up because look at the difference. Once I noticed it, once it was pointed out to me, hey look, this has got the same style but doesn't have the silver trim on it, it bugged me. So I found this. Check out the link in the description. All right, all done. As you can see, I mean, it takes longer to do this video than it was to install those little pieces, so I'm trying to make it quick for you. So check it out. The link for that specific little trim is in the description of the video, so go ahead and expand that out and check it out. Please click subscribe and the little alarm bell so you get notifications of my upcoming videos, because man, I've got some big projects that are along the way and I'm really excited to bring them to you. So thank you so much for all your support and watching my video, and I see you on my next project.